LENOVO Vibe P1, and let me show you how to activate here the Google Backup on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the apps icon. Choose here and select the settings. From the following list, let's scroll down and choose here the backup and reset. Here let's enable backup my data right here by using that switcher. Then let's go back, tap on backup account, and here you can add a Google account by using that button. The phone is checking info. Of course, it's important to have the internet access right now. Let's wait for the following panel, and here you need to sign in into Google account. You can do this in two ways. You can create a new account by using that link, or use the existing Google account. In my case, let me use the existing Google account. Let's enter the email. Let's tap next. It's time to enter the password. And if you are ready, let's choose next right here. Tap agree to terms of service and privacy policy. And here you can automatically backup device data if you would like to by using that switcher. Let me leave it enabled, tap next. Tap on backup account again and choose your account, and everything went well. You just enable backup my data and add necessary backup account. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.